In this video, we are going to talk about how you can create attractive quizzes with the help of Tyrinteract Quiz Maker. Tyrinteract is a tool for creating online quizzes that generate leads, segment your audience, and recommend products. Quizzes are one of the best way to generate leads and increase engagement. So, in this video, we are going to give you a complete walkthrough of this tool, step by step. To get started, you need an Tyrinteract account. So, click on the first link which is given in the video description. This is an exclusive affiliate link which will provide you a 14-day free trial of Tyrinteract. During these 14 days, you can try out all the features of this tool and figure out how to use this tool effectively. The link will take you to this page. Here, click on this Start Free Trial button. Next, it will ask you to select a payment plan. Don't worry, you won't get charged until your free trial ends. So choose one of these plans to proceed further. Here, you need to enter all these details, like your name, email, company name, and a strong password. Then check this box here, and then click on Create My Account button. Next, we need to verify our email. So, open your mailbox and find the email from Tyrinteract. Then click on this button to fully activate your account. This will redirect you to a page where you'll see a congratulations message. And then you'll need to enter your card details here. There is also a promo code option where you can enter some coupon codes to get additional discounts on your plans. To get the latest Tyrinteract coupons, click on the second link which is given in the video description. Once this done, click on this Start Free Trial button. This will take you to the dashboard of Tyrinteract. Here, you will have to answer these questions. You can skip this part as well, but we recommend you to answer these questions. We have to select our industry. Next, it will ask whether we want to make a quiz using AI. And then click on Submit. Here, we can either start from scratch, or we can choose one of these templates. There are tons of templates to choose from. Once you choose the template that suits the best, click on the Preview button. If you like the template, click on Use Template. A tutorial video created by Tyrinteract will appear on the screen. You can watch this for better understanding. This is the editor. Now we will customize this template accordingly. Let's start with editing the text. By clicking on this button, we'll get various fonts, so let's choose one of the fonts. Then we can change the color of the text by clicking on this button. To change the image, click on the image itself. This editor will open. From here, we can replace the image and resize it as well. Now click on the Replace Image button. Here, click on Yes. Now here, write the keyword for your image and then click on Find Images. Choose from these images and then click on Crop and Save. That's it. We've replaced the image. Here are various options, like bold, italic, alignments, etc. You can also add links to this quiz. Simply click on this button, enter the URL, and hit the Save button. Next, by clicking on the background, we can change the background of the quiz. From here you can change the background, the button colors, and everything accordingly. Just like this, we can change everything on our quiz. Simply play around with the settings and customize an attractive quiz. This button on top right offers various ideas to make your quiz look exaggerating. Now let's come to the questions. Click on the questions. These are the questions. To edit the questions, simply select them and then edit it as per your requirements. You can check this Animate checkbox to make your quiz look more attractive. The Animate checkbox option refers to a feature that allows you to add animations or movement to elements within your quiz. When this option is enabled, certain elements such as text, images, or buttons can have animated effects applied to them, making the quiz more visually engaging and interactive for participants. Let's start customizing the question. This is the first question. There are various options, like you can convert the written answers as image answers, then we have the answer settings, and then we have the edit result correlations. Here we have multiple answers for our questions. To delete any answer, simply select this icon. To add more answers, select the Add Answer button. Let's move to further questions. One by one, we'll have a look to more questions in the video. Now, Let's try deleting some questions. Select the Settings button right in front of the question, click on Remove Question, and hit the Confirm button. Let's try out the branching logic feature. Just turn on this feature. A new page will be opened. The branching logic feature in the Tyrinteract Quiz Maker allows you to create dynamic quizzes by directing users to different questions or outcomes based on their previous responses. This enables personalized quiz experiences and tailored content based on user input, enhancing engagement and relevance. Branching logic allows you to customize the path a quiz taker takes based on their responses. For instance, if someone answers a question a certain way, they might be directed to a different set of follow-up questions. This helps create personalized and relevant quiz experiences. This is the logic that I've created. Once you're done, click on Save Map and Go Back button. Now, let's have a look at the results for our quiz. This is what participants will see after completing the quiz. There are 4 different results related to the answers. We can edit, delete or transform as per your preference. Here, these are the results. Lastly, we have the Show Multiple Results option. Just enable this option if you want multiple results. Now let's set the lead generation. Simply enable this option. Just fill this form, select the contact fields. We will select the email address, first name, and phone number. Then we have the form settings. Here is the advanced settings. Click on the Advanced Settings option. You can add multiple form error messages, customize these settings as per your requirements, and hit the Save button. Then we have the Edit Form Content option. Customize all text and colors of your opt-in form. Now we will change the color of this button to black. Once everything's set, click on the Save and Continue option. In this step, we will set integration. Simply add direct integration. After this, hit the Save and Continue button. Then authenticate the account through API key. Hit Save and proceed to the next step. Lastly, we've to test integration, so click on the Test Integration button. On this page, fill in the email and hit the Save Test Lead to My List option. That's it, the integration has been added to your account. Now, we have the social share settings. From here, you can hide the social share buttons on results, add active social share buttons, various locations, links, and more. Customize the settings and lastly hit the Save Settings button. Lastly, we have conversion tracking. To enable this option, you have to upgrade your account. Let's come back to main screen. By clicking on this option, you can change the quiz type to the 3 types of categories. And by clicking on this option, you can take a preview of this quiz. Now we'll publish the quiz. Click on the Publish button, then click on the Publish Changes option. After this, you can copy the live link to your quiz and share it to your social media accounts. You can also explore the options present on the left panel. We've embed code, announcement bar, pop-up and Facebook ad. Let's try out the quiz that we have created. For this, open your browser and paste the live link that we have copied. This is the quiz that we have created. Let's simply try it out. Now that we have tried the quiz, let's come back to a dashboard. Here, we have the Analytics option. Click on Analytics, and from here we can see the progress of our quiz that we have created. It will keep account of views, the number completion, views, etc. Then we have the email address and details of the leads. And lastly, we have this Leads option. From here we can download the leads and view them. Then we have the Results option, the question and answers, and the Advanced option. To use these features, we have to upgrade our account. Now let's come back to our dashboard and create another quiz. Also, you can share and embed the quiz by clicking on this button, and by clicking on the 3 dots option, you get various options like preview, duplicate and delete the quiz. Here, click on the Create New Quiz option on top right. Then this page will open. Here we will click on the Start from Scratch option. The Start from Scratch option in an interactive quiz maker allows you to create a new quiz from the beginning, without using any existing templates or previously saved settings. This gives you a blank slate to design your quiz questions, format, and settings according to your specific requirements. At this step, we will choose the type of quiz that we want to create. For example, there are 3 types of quiz that are present in the Tyrinteract software. The assessment, personality, and scorecard quiz. We will choose the assessment. The assessment feature allows you to assign scores or outcomes based on participants' answers, enabling you to categorize users into different groups or provide personalized feedback. This functionality makes it a versatile tool for creating engaging and informative quizzes. Next we have the editor. From here we can edit the quiz and create an exaggerating and user-friendly quiz that attracts the audience. We are creating a quiz for the topic, which college major is right for you. Next, let's add some images related to the topic. Here, search for the keyword and the results will appear. After this, just choose the image that you want to insert and click on Crop and Save. Now let's add a description for the quiz. And it's done, the front page is ready. Now let's move to the questions. Fill in the questions that you want to ask and then the answers. Then we'll select the answer settings. Here we will enable the Select Multiple Answers option. Then hit the Save button. We can also set answer scores. So by clicking on this button, we can set the number of scores for all the types of answers. Customize the settings according to your specifications. Just explore these settings and after this hit the Save button. Just like this, add more questions to this quiz. Here we have added 3 questions. After this, let's just create a branching logic. So this is the branching logic that we have created. Let's start adding results in the quiz. So we will simply paste the text that I've already copied here. And then add the image. We're done creating the results for the quiz. Each answer will redirect us to some specific results. That's it, we are done. Now let's publish the quiz. Click on the Publish button, and from here, copy the live link of our quiz. Now let's try out the quiz that we have created. Simply paste this link in your browser. And this is the quiz that we have created. Let's simply try it out. Now let's come back to our dashboard. Lastly, we are going to try another quiz that will be related to calculating score. So simply click on the Create New Quiz button, and after this select one of the templates. Once you select the template, let's proceed with the editing. Here, we will change the quiz type. The Change Quiz Type feature in Tyrinteract Quiz Maker allows you to easily change the format or style of your quiz. It lets you transition between different types of quiz layouts, question styles, or designs without losing your existing questions or data. This feature is particularly useful if you want to experiment with various quiz formats or if you realize that a different quiz type might engage your audience better. So, click on the Change Quiz Type button. And after this we will select the Switch to Assessment Type option. Then here, we have to type Switch in the column below. And in a minute or two, the quiz will be switched to the assessment type. Now simply make the changes according to your specifications. And after that, let's publish the quiz by clicking on the Publish button. Then here, click on Publish Changes. And that's it. Now we can copy the link like we did in the previous quizzes, and that's it. We're done creating all the 3 types of quizzes. Lastly, let us take a preview for this quiz. For that, click on the 3 dots, and then click on the Preview button. This page will open. From here, you can try out the quiz. Also, there are various other options that we can explore. And with that, here we come to the end of this tutorial. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of creating engaging and interactive quizzes using Tyrinteract Quiz Maker. With the knowledge you've gained in this tutorial, you're well on your way to captivating your audience and boosting their engagement. Remember, quizzes aren't just a fun way to test knowledge, they're also powerful tools for driving traffic, generating leads, and enhancing user interaction. The possibilities are endless. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials like this. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to share your quiz creations in the comments section below. We'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep creating, keep engaging, and keep making a difference with your content. Thank you for watching this video.